In this video, I am going to teach you how to see completed tasks in Clickup. This is helpful if you want to track what's already done in your projects. Stick around to help you stay organized. Let's get started. Go to clickup.com and sign into your account. Make sure you're in the correct workspace where your tasks are. Choose the space where you want to see the completed tasks. This will narrow down your view to the right project. Click the filter option at the top right corner of your screen. This opens the filter settings for your tasks. In the Select Filter option, choose Status. This tells ClickUp which tasks you want to filter by their status. Then in the Select option, choose Closed and it will automatically show you all the tasks that are completed in that space. This helps you quickly review finished work. And that's how you see completed tasks in ClickUp. If this helped you, make sure to like this video and subscribe to How to Tutor for more ClickUp tips. See you next time!